Welcome to Auto Craze. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at one of the most revolutionary and breathtaking machines ever crafted by Ferrari, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This masterpiece is not just a supercar, it is a symbol of Ferrari's bold leap into the future of performance, blending cutting-edge technology with iconic Italian, designed to create something truly extraordinary. The Ferrari Stradale is the first plug-in hybrid electric vehicle (PHEV) from the House of Maranello, making it a historic milestone for the brand. Under its sculpted hood lies a beastly 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, paired with 3 electric motors. This combination delivers an earth-shattering 986 horsepower, 1000 CV, and 800 Newton-meters of torque, propelling the SF90 Stradale from 0 to 100 km per hour in an astonishing 2.5 seconds. With a top speed of 340 km per hour. It is, without doubt, one of the fastest production cars Ferrari has ever built. But the SF90 Stradale is not just about raw speed. It represents the pinnacle of engineering brilliance. Its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superb handling and grip, while the innovative eDrive mode allows the car to run solely on electric power for up to 25 kilometers. Perfect for quiet city cruising without a drop of fuel. The aerodynamic design, featuring sleek lines, active aero components, and a futuristic profile, not only makes the car look stunning but also enhances its downforce and stability at high speeds. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted with an environment that seamlessly blends luxury with race-inspired technology. The cockpit features a curved 16-inch HD digital instrument cluster, touch-sensitive controls, and a new steering wheel design that puts all essential functions at the driver's fingertips. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and meticulous craftsmanship create an ambience of sophistication and high performance. The SF90 Stradale also comes packed with Ferrari's latest driver assistance technologies, including dynamic controls, like ESSC electronic side slip control, FDE, Ferrari dynamic enhancer, and an advanced torque vectoring system to ensure precise cornering even at extreme speeds. This car is not only built for the racetrack but also refined enough to offer a comfortable and engaging driving experience on everyday roads. Visually, the SF90 Stradale is a stunner from every angle. Its aggressive front fascia, sculpted sides, and distinctive rear light signature make it instantly recognizable. Every element is designed with purpose, to reduce drag, increase cooling, and amplify performance. In conclusion, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale is a landmark creation that redefines what a modern supercar can be. It is the perfect fusion of traditional Ferrari V8 power with futuristic electrification, creating a machine that's both brutally fast and surprisingly economical. This is not just the future of Ferrari, it's the future of the supercar world.